If you use Cash App every day and keep running into limits, this video is exactly what you need. Today I'll show you the fastest way to increase your Cash App sending and receiving limits so you can transfer more money without restrictions. Cash App starts all new accounts with low limits, which is why the key to unlocking higher limits is verifying your identity. Open Cash App, go to your profile and complete the verification process by entering your full name, date of birth and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Once you submit the info and Cash App confirms your identity, your limits will automatically increase. After verification, you can usually send up to $7,000 per week and receive much more without any interruptions. Verification also unlocks additional features like Cash App taxes, Bitcoin purchases, and smoother transfers with no delays. If your limit still isn't enough, keep your account clean by avoiding disputes or suspicious activity. Use your real information, maintain a consistent transaction history, and link a verified bank account or debit card. These steps help build trust and make Cash App more likely to approve higher limits over time. And that's how you increase your Cash App limits quickly and safely. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple finance guides.